How to follow users on Reddit. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to follow users on Reddit. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Reddit app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the username from the post or comment, or you can use search for a specific person or users in the search bar, and this will open up their profile. And now here, once you are inside the particular user profile, what you can do is you can just tap on the follow button on the profile name. So here, as you can see, once you are in the person profile there, you'll see the follow button. So simply tap on it, and now you're following that user. And here, once you follow someone, their post may appear in your home feed, and you can also find them under your following list. And that's it with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.